Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Karnita Aldesi with student ID 2024-32040 from Information System Class B. Today I wanna explain to you about stack and queue, and I will also show example of implementing coding for each queue and stack. First, I will explain to you about what is queue. Queue is a data structure that works based on the first in, first out principle, meaning that the first element to enter will be the first element to exit. This data structure is very important in various computer applications, from scheduling in the CPU, data buffering, to printer queue management. Queue ensures the order and regularity of process in the system, so it is often used to regulate data flow and the order of task execution in operation system and network service. And the next is I will explain to you about what is a stack. Stack is a linear data structure that uses the last in, first out principle, where the last element entered will be the first element removed. In Python, stack implementation can be done using a list data structure. Basic operations on a stack include push to add elements to the stack and pop to remove the topmost element from the stack. In addition, there is also a pick or top operation to see the topmost element without deleting it, and is empty to check if the stack is empty. And now I will show you my coding about stack and queue. Okay, in this code, I'm showing how a stack works in Python. A stack is like a pile of books. The last books you put on top is the first one you take out. We call it LIFO, which is mean last in, first out. And this is coding what I made, and I'm gonna explain how a stack works using a simple and fun example like this: a tower of colorful blocks. Okay, we begin with an empty stack, like an empty tower, and there are no blocks yet. This line prints the current state of stack, and right now it's empty. Okay, next we use append to add blocks one by one, and so the tower has a pink block on the bottom, and then yellow, and then blue, and the purple on the top. And this line for to show us the current tower. The top block, which is purple, is removed with pop. This follow the last in, first out rule. We only remove from the top. Now this line is for we to add a new block. It's a green on the top. And this line, this is for show us the new tower with the green on the top. And this line, this prints the total number of block using len. And this line, we calculate the top index and show the color of the top block, and this is the result. Okay, the next is, let's talk about quiz. A quiz is like a line at a restaurant. The first person to arrive is the first to be served. This is called FIFO, which is mean first in, first out. And now I'm gonna explain about my coding, how a queue works by using a real life example. It's restaurant orders from an online application. Okay, we import the queue from the collections module. The queue lets us create a queue in Python where data can be added from one side and removed from the other. This prints the starting queue. Right now it's empty, no orders yet. And then we use append to add food orders. Just like in a real restaurant, orders are handled in the order they arrive. That's how a queue works. This shows the current list of orders and how many there are. And then we use pop left to process the first order in line. This follows the first in, first out rule. The first order received is the first one to be cooked and delivered. And these lines show which order is being prepared and what the kui looks like after that. And now a new order comes in, sushi. It gets added to the back of the kui. These lines show the update kui and total number of orders. Okay, I think that's all from me for today's explanation. If there are any mistakes or things that weren't clearly explained, I sincerely apologize. Thank you so much for watching and for your kind attention. Have a great day and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.